So welcome back for those of you who are joining us for a second day in a row, and welcome for your first day for those who are here for the first day. We are really excited. We have a lot of great content for you today, and I will take care of some of the housekeeping before you hear from our amazing speakers. So first of all, again, I would like to thank our sponsors. Without our sponsors, we would not be able to put this amazing conference on. So here we go. Our lead sponsors, Cloud Native Computing Foundation, our sister foundation CNCF, and FINOS, also our sister foundation at the Linux Foundation. GitHub and Red Hat are our lead sponsors. Contributor sponsors, Control Plane, Microsoft, Discover, GitLab, Instacluster, OS Climate, Sauce Labs, Sonatype, Temporal, and Splunk. And our community and digital sponsors, Capital One, Compliance Cow, Fujitsu, Gradle, Juxt, Men.io, MySQL, OpenLogic, Bracona, S&P Global, SUSE Turntable, and Scott Logic. So we're so glad that you're all here with us, sponsoring us. And please, for the attendees, do visit their showcase. They have a lot of amazing things to share with you. Also, if you would like to get connected to the Wi-Fi, here is the SSID and password. If you scan your QR code on your visitor pass, you will also find this information there. And importantly, our code of conduct. Please adhere to the Be Nice code of conduct, and also make sure you talk to people. It's hard for me also to say hi to people I don't know, but it's actually a lot of fun. So I would invite you to do that at least a couple of times today. And also, which I forgot to mention yesterday, if you have any issue, please see one of our staff, or more specifically, go to the registration booth, and they will help you out if you encounter any issues. Okay, so before I introduce our keynote speaker, I just want to mention one thing. This is I would like to offer you a reflection for today. As you go through the conference, think about this. My thesis is that this is a conference unlike others, because you can go to a tech conference and talk to lots of tech companies and lots of technologists from various walks of life, but they're not from financial services. You can go to a financial services conference and talk to a lot of finance people and learn a lot about what financial services are into, but they don't really understand technology very well. Here, you can talk to your peers. These are the people who are within financial services, who understand the business problem, but also work on technology. So these are your peers and your ultimate collaborators. Now, what's happening here is you've never had a chance before FINOS to collaborate across organizations. Someone from Citibank working with someone from Morgan Stanley, and someone working with Goldman Sachs, et cetera. This is what's happening here. So this is our opportunity to change the mode of work in financial services, and this is your opportunity. So I would encourage you to take advantage of it and think about it as you meet people here today. So speaking of people who change how we work, I would like to introduce, as our keynote speaker, Madeleine Dessous.